AI, especially generative AI, will enable companies to address customers very efficiently in a personalized way. We all become leader of AI. We all have access to an AI with an IQ of 120, which can help us to do our jobs, and we should use the power. So we really see with these strategic and creative jobs, AI can help, and that's a new message. And I think now it's time to act and to use the power of generative AI in your processes, not only for efficiency, but also for attracting customers, for improving customer experience and bringing more revenue.